found a secret business idea that is making regular people just like you and me hundreds of thousands of dollars. Not many people are doing this or even know about it. One business is making over $200,000. It's also super easy, and literally my 8-year-old cousin can do it. So in today's video, I'll show you how to start a similar business with the help of our trusty assistant, AI. Everything is almost done for you in a matter of seconds, from creating the product to the final stages. We will also give you tips and tricks to sell more than any of the competition and make your product stand out from the crowd. This game-changing secret is about to take your bank account to the next level. I'm sure you're no stranger to printable flashcards or educational flashcards. You know, those cards that you used to use to learn your ABCs. They also help kids learn by matching words with images like shapes, animals, colors, and more. If you hop on over to Etsy and search for printable cards, you'll notice something interesting. There's surprisingly low competition for the product, but the demand is through the roof. That's a big opportunity. So, getting into this product now could be a smart move with the potential to bring in some serious financial gains. Printable flashcards are offered for purchase by many people. You'll find sellers offering a wide range of niches and styles. Some focus on farm animals, while others create alphabet flashcards or engaging shape-matching sets. The diversity in this market is mind-blowing, and that's precisely where the money-making potential lies. The consistent and glowing reviews pouring in are a clear indicator of their success. Imagine a store pulling in around $5,000 a month, amassing a staggering $250,000 in total revenue since its inception. And that's just one example. Another store is earning a solid $3,000 per month, totaling over $60,000 in revenue. Let's kick things off with the brainstorming process. Manual research on Etsy, where you check out your competitors' listings. Pay attention to the number of cards they offer, their style, the images they use, the product descriptions, titles, and more. Reading through customer reviews is essential as well. You'll discover what people like and dislike, giving you the edge to create something even better. ChatGPT for automation. You can easily come up with 10 brilliant flashcard ideas for your chosen niche by interacting with the chatbot. Check out the cool suggestions offered, along with thorough justifications for each. You will have concepts like animal names, animal sounds, baby animals, and more at your disposal with this automated method. Additionally, ChatGPT can provide you with niche ideas if you're unsure of which to concentrate on. Let's say, for example, baby animals. The illustrations. Here's where AI comes to the rescue. And in my opinion, the best AI image generator out there is Midjourney. It offers unbeatable capabilities for crafting stunning illustrations that will make your flashcards truly stand out. The next step is crafting a simple prompt that'll help us generate AI images. I prefer to split the prompt into 3 parts: subject, style, and customization. So based on ChatGPT's answer, we'll start with a kitten as our subject. Now here's a suggestion from ChatGPT, including adult animals with their adorable babies. So for this illustration, our prompt subject is a cat with a kitten. Next up, let's choose the design style. There are plenty to pick from, like cartoon, hand-drawn, oil painting, and more. But since we're going for animal illustrations, the Disney cartoon style is the winner, especially for our young audience. Imagine the joy it'll bring. Lastly, we have customization options to make our design truly unique. In my case, I'd prefer a white background since I'll remove it later. You can also play around with colors, lighting, environment, mood, and more to add that extra flair. To sum it all up, we've got the subject: a cat with a kitten, the style Disney cartoon, and the white background for customization. Now let's move on to the next step. Repeat the process we discussed earlier to create all the illustrations you need. Once that's done, it's time for the most enjoyable part: designing the flashcards using Canva. Did you know Canva offers a fantastic tool to design printable flashcards for free? Head to Google and search for Canva Flashcard Maker. Open the first link and click on Create a Flashcard. Check out the many flashcard templates Canva provides, which you can edit and use. Start by uploading the illustrations you made earlier using Midjourney. Then choose a template that fits your niche or that you like. To customize the flashcards, replace the illustration, and change the word. Flashcards. But here's the secret sauce. To truly stand out, you need to add extra value. How? By giving away something for free. Here's an idea. Include coloring pages in the same niche as your flashcards. You can easily generate these coloring pages using Midjourney or another suitable alternative. Just use the prompt you see on the screen and boom! You've got awesome coloring pages to complement your flashcards. If customers see that you offer not only flashcards, but also free coloring pages for free, trust me, they won't think twice about making the purchase. Who doesn't love free stuff? Now, it's time to keep the momentum going. Keep creating different designs and list them all on Etsy. Before you know it, you'll start seeing results and earning those well-deserved dollars. So, let your creativity flow and let's start making these flashcards. And there you have it. We've reached the end of this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed discovering the secrets to creating your very own printable flashcards with the help of AI and Canva. Remember, the possibilities are endless in this niche, and by providing that extra value with free coloring pages, you'll be setting yourself apart from the competition and attracting more customers than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting content. And of course, share this video with anyone you think could benefit from this business idea. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating and best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey. This is Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy.